The future of accounting isn't just about numbers, it's about technology, automation, and artificial intelligence. Generative AI is changing how financial professionals work, and as educators, you have the power to bring this technology into your classroom to prepare students for the evolving world of accounting. In this video, we'll explore innovative ways to use generative AI in an accounting CTE classroom to enhance learning, streamline financial processes, and develop students' analytical skills. Accounting is no longer just about manually crunching numbers. AI-powered tools are now assisting accountants in automating repetitive tasks, detecting fraud, improving financial forecasting, and providing real-time data analysis. By integrating AI into accounting education, we can help students develop essential skills that will set them apart in the workforce. Today, we'll look at 5 creative ways to use generative AI in your accounting classroom. One of the most powerful applications of AI in accounting is automating bookkeeping tasks. Tools like QuickBooks AI and Xero already use AI to categorize transactions, reconcile bank statements, and generate financial reports. Instead of teaching students how to manually enter transactions, why not have them work with AI-powered accounting software? Create a project where students compare AI-generated reports with their own manual calculations. This teaches them how AI enhances accuracy while still requiring human oversight. Another key area where AI is making an impact is financial forecasting and budgeting. AI-driven analytics tools like Domo and Tableau AI use predictive algorithms to analyze trends and forecast future financial outcomes. In the classroom, students can input historical financial data into AI models and see how predictions change based on different variables. This activity helps students understand financial forecasting beyond traditional spreadsheet models and gives them a hands-on experience with AI-enhanced data analysis. Fraud detection and risk assessment are becoming increasingly AI-driven. AI-powered systems like SAS Fraud Management and ThetaRay analyze transaction patterns to detect anomalies and flag potential fraud. In a classroom setting, students can explore real-world fraud cases and use AI-based simulations to identify red flags in financial data. Challenge students to analyze AI-generated fraud reports and compare them to human-led forensic accounting investigations. This prepares them for careers in auditing and compliance. Generative AI is also transforming tax preparation and compliance. AI-driven platforms like Avalara and H&R Block AI help accountants quickly navigate complex tax codes and identify deductions. Instead of just teaching students how to manually calculate tax liabilities, have them explore how AI can generate tax reports based on different scenarios. Assign a project where students input fictional business revenue data into an AI-powered tax tool and compare the AI's tax recommendations with their own calculations. This exercise reinforces tax principles while introducing students to real-world automation tools. Another innovative way to integrate AI into an accounting classroom is through AI-generated financial analysis reports. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can generate financial summaries, industry insights, and investment reports based on provided data. A creative classroom activity is to give students financial statements from a company and have them use AI to generate reports, analyzing profitability, risk, and investment potential. Then students can critique the AI's conclusions, discussing what was accurate and where human judgment is still necessary. This teaches critical thinking and financial literacy. Beyond numbers, AI is also revolutionizing business communication and client interactions. AI-powered chatbots like Drift and Intercom help accountants and financial professionals interact with clients efficiently. In a classroom setting, students can build and test AI-generated email responses for different accounting scenarios, such as responding to tax inquiries or explaining financial statements. To successfully integrate AI into your accounting curriculum, start by introducing one AI tool at a time and aligning it with real-world accounting tasks. Encourage students to experiment with AI-powered financial reports, predictive models, and fraud detection tools. Design projects where students compare AI-generated insights with traditional accounting methods, helping them understand both the benefits and limitations of AI in the profession. Generative AI is not here to replace accountants. It's here to make them more efficient, accurate, and strategic. By incorporating AI into your accounting classroom, you're equipping students with the skills they need to excel in the future of finance. What AI tools are you most excited to explore in your classroom? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI in career and technical education. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.